You're watching a YouTube video right now. You're smiling, you're learning things, you're completely absorbed in what the person on screen is saying. And then someone in the comments drops a piece of information that makes you question everything. The person you've been watching for the last few minutes isn't real. It's artificial intelligence. Welcome to the era of Heygen, the platform that makes the line between human and digital almost invisible. And what's truly wild is that anyone can do this. No professional studio needed, no massive budget required, just an image or a short video, and within seconds, you have an avatar speaking on your behalf. So stick around until the end of this video because I'm going to explain exactly how it works, step by step. Let's start with the basic question. What exactly is Heygen? It's an AI-powered platform that lets you create videos with hyper-realistic digital characters. You provide a script, choose a voice, and your avatar delivers it straight to camera. No video editing skills required, no retakes needed. You generate, you download, and you're done. And the result is so convincing that some content creators have fooled their audiences for weeks on end before revealing that everything was AI generated. This isn't science fiction anymore, this is happening right now on YouTube, and you absolutely need to understand how it works. Now let's look at how to actually get started. The first thing to do is create a Heygen account. You have several plans to choose from. The free plan lets you generate videos up to 1 minute long in more than 30 different languages. It's perfect for testing out the platform, but your videos will have a visible watermark, which obviously limits how professional the final result looks. If you want to go further, the creator plan gives you access to videos up to 30 minutes long in more than 175 languages with no watermark and with advanced features like voice cloning. For those who use Heygen intensively, there's also a business plan that offers even more flexibility around credit management and access to built-in editing tools. For the vast majority of creators just starting out, the creator plan will be more than enough. Once your account is created, the platform will ask you a few questions about your goals and your profile. Then you land in the main interface, and that's where things start getting really interesting. The first section you should explore is the avatar section. And even before creating your own, I strongly recommend checking out the public avatars that are already available. Heygen offers dozens of ready-to-use characters with multiple outfits, multiple settings, and multiple body positions. Want to run a podcast channel? There's an avatar for that. Want to present information like a news anchor? That's available too. Want a character that looks like a tech expert? That already exists, and the quality is genuinely impressive. But where Heygen really becomes powerful is when you create your own custom avatar. And for that, you have several possible approaches. The first is what's called text-based generation. You don't need to provide any image at all. You simply describe the character you want to create by specifying parameters like age, gender, ethnicity, clothing style, or overall vibe. Within seconds, Heygen generates 4 different variations of that character. If none of them feel quite right, you tweak your description and regenerate. Once you've found the character that matches your vision, you choose a voice from the built-in library. You can filter by accent, tone, and style. And as soon as you've locked in your voice, your avatar is ready to speak. The second approach is uploading a photo, and what's genuinely surprising here is that this photo doesn't need to be a real person. You can upload an illustration, a cartoon character, a stylized image, and Heygen will bring it to life exactly the way it would with a realistic human face. The character will move, express emotions, gesture with its hands, and sync its lips to the voice you've chosen. It's fascinating, and honestly a little dizzying once you really think about it. Now let's talk about the third method, the one many creators consider the most powerful. It's cloning yourself. If you film 2 minutes of yourself talking to a camera, Heygen can create a digital copy of you that reproduces your voice, your facial expressions, and even the way you move. In practical terms, that means you could record a single 2-minute session and then let your digital clone produce hours of content while you go do something else entirely. While you're on vacation, in a meeting, or simply asleep, your virtual double keeps talking to your audience. This is where the philosophical side of this technology really starts to unsettle you. Once your avatar is created, there's one essential step that a lot of beginners overlook: adding a background. If you skip this step, your avatar will be speaking in front of a completely blank white background, which makes for a very unconvincing result. Heygen offers a feature called Look Remix, with presets that add settings with depth, lighting effects, and an overall atmosphere that makes the video much more believable. Once that's set, you move into the video creation interface. You paste your text on the left, confirm your avatar and voice on the right, and you can even preview the result before running the final generation. Now you can rename your video and click Generate. Then you choose the output format and resolution. Within moments, you have a professional video without ever having turned on a single camera. But let's come back for a moment to the question that really deserves our attention. If this technology is available to everyone, if anyone can create a convincing digital version of themselves or of a made-up character, how do you still tell what's real from what's fabricated? Creators who use these tools aren't necessarily being dishonest. Many are transparent with their audience about using AI, but the potential for manipulation is there. And it's a question society is going to have to face more and more seriously in the years ahead. This technology is an extraordinary tool in the right hands. For someone who's afraid of the camera, who wants to produce content in multiple languages at once, or who doesn't have time to film everything themselves, Heygen represents an absolute revolution. But like any revolution, it comes with new responsibilities. What's certain is that video content creation will never be quite the same again. The barrier to entry has just collapsed. You no longer need to be comfortable in front of a camera. You no longer need perfect lighting or a carefully decorated background. You no longer need to redo the same take 10 times because you stumbled over a word. AI handles all of that for you. If you want to try Heygen for yourself, the link is in the description. And now tell me in the comments, if you had your own digital avatar, what's the very first thing you'd have it say? Subscribe if you want to keep exploring tools like this, because every week we dive into the new technologies that are transforming the way we create and consume content. The next video is coming very soon, and honestly, you don't want to miss it.